Alright, so I have here this No-Sew Socks craft kit. I paid for this product myself, although I do get commissions if you click the link in the description, but all of these socks are my own. It says it's for ages 6+. I'm going to have my daughter try one of these things and see what she thinks about it. With this kit, you can create 5 plush toys, so I'm looking forward to seeing how that works. You can see on the back here what they are: bear, snowman, chicken, rabbit, and caterpillar. So let's open it up, see what we got. So this is everything that comes in the box. You have 5 socks in this package here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 stuffings that go into the socks. You have all these accessories to decorate your socks and some glue to stick them together. And you have the manual right here. So this shows you step by step how to make each of the plush toys. Looks really straightforward. Looks like they give you more than enough accessories because these eyes only go on that one caterpillar, and yet they give you a whole bunch of them. Same with these rubber bands, plenty of rubber bands for whatever plush toy you're making. I think some of the accessories are just enough, but it's all you need though, really. So, like I said, I'm going to give all this to my daughter and she's going to make one and I'll let you know what she thinks. So like I said, really easy to make. Make some fun plush toys. It's eyeless.
Use the pom-poms. You can put some creativity into it.
So here's the finished product. I think she did a great job. I think it looks great. Soft toy. If you like crafts or soft toys, it might be something fun to try. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.